कोई समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। यहाँ पे आते आते गाड़ी सारी जगह खराब हो गई।
Thank you, ma'am. Our zonal manager, Shri Siddhartha, will now light the lamp. Our guidance sponsor, Mr. Muhammad Ali of South India Shelters. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Other guidance sponsor, Mr. Kumalai Housing.
Mukta Housing.
Kumalai Housing, representative.
Mukta Housing.
Representative from Rajka.
Ungalayam 2014 is the exclusive mega property fair organized by LIC Housing Finance Limited at Chennai. The 17th edition of the fair is being conducted from 12 to 14 September 2014 at Chennai Trade Center, Chennai. Friends, let me at the outset welcome each one of you to this press meet today and on the occasion of this mega property fair. The show traces back to its humble beginning in 1997 with the participation of 15 builders. Encouraged with the overwhelming response over the years, Ungalayam has been a much awaited event for the prospective home buyers. Started as a modest property exhibition, Ungalayam has evolved as a market. Last financial year, our growth for the business was, that is, you can say that portfolio growth was, total loan portfolio growth was 18%, and the business growth was also quite healthy. We had expanded our NIM last year. It had gone up from 2.18 to 2.25. We had also shown good growth in business. We had shown 25,000 crores. It was around 26,000 crores. And we had come down from 0.32 level to 0.27 level. Do you have a mic? Can I give you this mic? Our expectation is that we will grow better because we have already seen a pickup in the loans in most of the regions. You can say pan-India, the pickup or the demand is very good and it's a healthy growth happening everywhere. So I feel growth will be better. The second question which you asked me was that is there any scope for capital raising? Am I right about it? Yeah. So at the moment our capital adequacy ratio is adequate. It's quite comfortable. So in the near future there is no need for any capital raising.
What is the percentage growth you are expecting this year?
We'll be going around 20%, growing around 20%.
You are talking about loan or business? Loan portfolio?
Loan.
What about South India, Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu figures you have?
Tamil Nadu figures are the best figures. The Tamil Nadu, actually the southern region, actually Tamil Nadu plus Kerala, that is the southern region, it contributes 21% of our total business. And every year it is actually growing, it is not coming down. So it means their growth is better than the growth for the country.
Madam, where do you see the major growth coming?
Can you raise your hand?
Yeah. Do you think the affordable home loan with so much SOPs is reduced and the RBI also giving the infrastructure, will that be a major focus area? And currently, what's your average ticket size? Do you see that getting lowered as a result of the Pope?
95% of my portfolio is affordable. So I don't see. He's not able to speak in English.
ஹவுசிங் பற்றி தான் எல்ஐசி பற்றினா நீங்கள் தனியாக கேட்டீங்க இங்கே ப்ரெஸ் மீட்டிங்.
அனைவருக்கும் எனது காலை வணக்கத்தினை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். எல்ஐசி ஹவுசிங் ஃபைனான்ஸ் லிமிடெட் தனது வெள்ளி விழா ஆண்டிலே இன்று 17வது முறையாக உங்கள் இல்லம் என்ற கண்காட்சியை துவக்கி இருக்கின்றது. இதில் கிட்டத்தட்ட 100 கட்டிட தொழிலதிபர்கள் தங்கள் நிறுவனத்தோடு கலந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றார்கள். இந்த கண்காட்சி 12ஆம் தேதி முதல் 14ஆம் தேதி வரை நடைபெறும்.
9.67%, 8%. But when we borrow from the bank, it is at the base rate minimum, that is 10.25. So best way is to increase the NIM is to reduce the bank borrowings. At the beginning of the 2013, our bank borrowings were around 29 to 30%, which we brought down to 25% as on 31st March 2014. That is why there was improvement in NIM. This year we have taken upon ourselves that we will be trying to reduce bank borrowings up to 20-21%. That again will bring some kind of increase boost in margins.
So your preferred route of borrowing will be low cost NCDs, right?
Yes. Yes.
And the target for total business, what number you have? Last year it was 27,000.
This year we have kept around 35,000, 33,000 crores.
Target for what?
Total disbursal last year?
25, more than 26,000 crores.
And what was the volume of LAP